Welcome to Top Leadership Skills for Interior Designers. In this video, we will explore the untold pains many designers face and the incredible gains that comes with mastering leadership skills in the world of interior design. Untold pains. At the start of interior design journey, you might feel overwhelmed. Piles of blueprints, endless revisions, and the pressure to ensure every detail executed to perfection. These pains are real. Miscommunications, budget constraints, missed deadlines, and the fear of disappointing your clients. But remember, every successful designer had been through this journey. Now, let's discuss the unexpected gains. These are the results of your hard work, dedication, and the development of leadership skills. Gains like delighted clients, stellar reviews, and a flourishing interior designing career that once seemed unattainable. The question is, how do you get there? Step 1. Master the fundamentals. Start by measuring and mastering the fundamental principles of interior design, from spatial planning to material selection. A strong foundation is extremely essential. Step 2. Leadership development. To rise to the top, you need to continue learning. Dive into advanced areas like architectural principles, lighting design, sustainability, because knowledge is your only power. Step 3. Communication. Effective communication. You must bridge the gap between your creative vision and your client's desires. Strong communication skills, active listening, and translating ideas into reality are very vital. Step 4. Utmost important is leadership in execution. This is where your leadership skills shine. Understand the construction process. Work closely with contractors, your team, vendors, and oversee every project, ensuring it aligns with your vision. Now, let's hear from Vidya, one of my students who started from untold pains but with dedication and these steps achieved an unexpected gains. Vidya transformed her career, turning her frustrations into awe-inspiring spaces. Her journey proves that with hard work and right leadership skills, you can move from untold pains to unexpected gains. Vidya says, mastering site execution and leadership wasn't easy, but it was worth every effort. Her interior design business had flourished and she finds fulfillment in each and every project. Guys, in your journey from untold pain to untold gains, remember that mastering leadership skills in interior designing is attainable. With dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to lead, you can achieve the success you desire. Thank you for joining me in this small video with top leadership skills into interior designing. Stay tuned for more such valuable insights to help you reach your goal as a leader in the world of interior design. Thank you so very much, guys. Bye-bye.